In this short video, I would like to discuss my personal growth and the impact of student success after completing the first year of my induction program. The long-term goals that I was made at the beginning of the year was I wanted to provide students with excellent support and resources to families to optimize student learning, and I wanted to make self-care for teacher wellness a priority. Being a first-year teacher, I've made continuous effort to glean from my coworkers, my induction coach, and I have tried to implement everything I learned from the trainings the school offered and the research I've explored through this induction program. I'm excited and working hard to improve as a teacher. Where are the opportunities for continuous improvement? In the independent study model for homeschool teachers, continuing to work on reading my families to know where to add support and to continue building the partnership between the teacher, parent, and student relationship to find the balance, optimize student learning, and mastery of the standards. An example of a student success that I had from one of my induction inquiry cycles was for growth mindset. One of my high school students was struggling with motivation and daily schoolwork completion. After going over growth mindset concepts during our learning period, I asked for the student to give me daily assignment check-ins, and now the student is on track in meeting his educational goals. That was a very successful inquiry cycle. This is a statement from my regional coordinator. Thank you so much, and I'm excited to continue to learn more.